Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. Okay, so we're doing slope-intercept form right here. Y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, which is the rate of change. And b stands for the y-intercept right here. Okay, so slope is the rate of change or steepness of the curve. You know that. And to find the slope, you need the change in y over the change in x right there. Okay, so let's do a couple easy problems first. Write this down in your notes. Write that down in your notes. Pause the video if you have to. Okay, so state the slope and y-intercept for each one. So you know y equals mx plus b. So m right here is 3. So m is 3 and b is 4 right there. Because b is the y-intercept right here. So m is 3, b is 4. Try 2 and 3 right now on your own. Go. All right, slope right here, -5. Don't put the x, it's just -5. And the y-intercept is 2 right there. The slope is right here, -3 over 7. And the y-intercept, b, is -2/7. So make sure you have that negative with it like that. Okay, cool. Now let's do it the other way here. Check this out. Write an equation in slope-intercept form. So it gives you the slope and the y-intercept. And so now let's write it in slope-intercept form. So y equals -3/4 x minus 2. There it is. So we have the slope here, -3/4, and y-intercept -2. All right, try this one. Slope is 5, 6, and the y-intercept is 8, +8. You gotta write +8 there. Try 6 and 7, go. All right, this is y equals 1x minus 6, or y equals x minus 6, same thing. And last one is y equals 0x minus 3, which is the same as anything times 0 is a 0, and 0 minus 3 is -3. There we go. So this, when the slope is 0, all you gotta do is put the y-intercept there. Y is -3. Got it. All right, let's do a few more. Good work so far. Okay, so let's find the slope if I give you 2 points. So what's the slope of this line? So we know the slope is the change in y over change in x. Okay, so in order to do that, we gotta create our xy chart. So we have 1 here and 3 here. 1, 3, this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y, -5 and 5. All right, change in y, 3 to 5 is up 2. 1 to -5 is, use your number line if you have to, -6. So the slope is change in y over change in x. So that, oh, I need to simplify, cut them in half. That's -1/3. It doesn't matter where the negative, because a positive divided by a negative is the same as a negative divided by a positive. Got it. All right, try B and C. Go. All right, let's see what we got. So there's -1, 4, -6, 14. So 1 point, x, y, x, y. Change in y is up 10. Change in x is down 5, getting more negative. You're subtracting. All right, so slope is change in y over change in x. Oh, I need to simplify it. What's 10 divided by 5? That's 2. And a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Got it. Okay, keep it going. Next one, let's see what we got. 4, 6, -4, 8. Change in y is 2. Positive to negative, we're going down. How many? Yeah, down 8. So slope is change in y over change in x. So that's, oh, I need to simplify it. Cut them in half again. -1/4. There we go. So it doesn't matter where I put that negative. I cut 2 in half, I got 1. I cut 8 in half, I got 4. There we go. Great job, everybody.